Today we're gonna look at how to calculate the concentrations of your stock solution. So the question usually will be like this. So they will give you the volume of stock solution being extract, and then you're gonna dilute the stock solutions to 250 milliliters. So this is how it will looks like. So you're gonna extract around 35 milliliter. And then I'm going to put it in a volumetric flask, which is 250 milliliter, and then you're going to add the rest of it with distilled water up to 250 milliliter here. So, and then the question tells you 25 milliliter of the diluted solution is then titrated by using 2.0 concentration KOH. So first you're going to extract the 25 milliliter diluted solutions. So from the volumetric flask just now, you're going to extract 25 milliliter of the solution and put it in a conical flask, and then you're going to set up the titrations this way. So you're going to have your titrate, which is KOH in this case, and then you're going to have your analyte, which is your diluted H2SO4. And then it says to reach the endpoint, the volume of KOH used is 22.50 milliliter. So if the question asks you stock solutions, so the first thing you can find is not the stock solution but the diluted solution. So you need to write the chemical equation first lah. So in this case, okay, so why is it so important for us to write the chemical equation? Is because we want to see whether the stoichio is different or same. So in this case, it's not the same lah, because we're gonna get 2 KOH. So 2 mole of KOH react with 1 mole of H2SO4. Find your stock solution. What you can find is your diluted solutions concentrations. For how many milliliter? So the one that you extract just now is 25 milliliter. Alright, so how to calculate? First, you have the informations of the concentrations of the KOH and the volume that is used, so you can calculate the mole for KOH. (0.045 mole). Okay, so from the equation here, you can see that 2 mole KOH react with 1 mole H2SO4. Therefore, 0.045 mole KOH is actually reacting with, so you have to divide by 2 lah, reacting with 0.0225 mole. You can also calculate your concentrations. So concentrations, molarity and solute over volume of solution in liter, right? Divide by, so the volume for this mole is 25. So 25 times 10 to the power of -3 liter. So you're going to get 0.9 mole per liter. So that's the concentrations for your dilute solutions. Okay, so you get your concentrations for your dilute solution 0.9 molarity. And then how do you calculate your stock solution? So if this is 0.9 with a volume of 250 milliliter, how about this one? We know that the stock solution that being extracted just now is 35 milliliter. Therefore, we have to use M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. Your M1 is unknown and your V1 is going to be 35 milliliter. And your M2 is going to be 0.9 molarity times with 250 milliliter. So when you calculate, you're going to get 6.0 4.3. Alright, so that's the answer for your stock solutions consideration.